hand down the water slide I made with me. Let's go. So I put a sprinkler right here. Well, my dad did it, and then yesterday me and my brother were going down, and we put cushions because we kept scraping our butt. And then I bought the towel out earlier, and that towel I used to go down the slide. So let's go. I really can't get my phone wet. Oh no. I can do it, but I can't. I'm gonna fall. Okay, let's do it. Oh my god, oh my god. Again. Let's do this. More. This time, head first. Okay, let's go. How am I gonna do this? Go. Oh my gosh, I'm actually really scared. Anything happen? Okay, what? Oh, that's a wet towel. Where was it? Okay, I'm using my brother's short. Are you okay?